Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I style my new extensions from amazingbeautyhair.com. They're so pretty and they're ombre. So first I take the weft with the 3 clips, clip it on the bottom, then I put the 4 clip weft above that, and then I put a 3 clip weft at the top. And now I'm going to take the 2 clip wefts and put them on the sides of my hair. And it's super easy to clip in, and I love the clips and the quality of the hair. So now to blend it in with my hair, I'm just going to curl everything together using this curling wand, which is super easy to do. And I like using a wand much better than a curling iron with a clip, but you can use either one. And I do have a code for 20% off that you can use on amazingbeautyhair.com, so you can get a discount side-wide on any of their products. They have a large selection, so definitely check them out. And that's it, you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.